Hi everyone, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with another product that's now at Ace. It's the new EGO line of products. This is a battery operated lawnmower, and this is really something that's pretty cool. It not only mulches, but you can have a bag here if you'd like to actually grab the clippings in your lawn as well. That just easily clips on the back of this. It is a battery operated 56 volt system. This battery is part of their whole system. This is their largest battery that they sell, and it's part of an entire charging system. So they have a string trimmer and a blower, you name it. It all uses the same universal charger that you can interchange the batteries between the different products that you're going to use. It has an adjustable handle here to allow you to adjust the height of the deck, and just with one move of the handle you can actually raise or lower the deck height depending on where you want your lawn to be cut. There's a button right here that if I push it and you're working late at night, you can actually have a little headlight action there, because I know for many of us that are working full-time, got to come home and do your lawn, that can be problematic. You want to be able to see what you're cutting. This unit is self-propelled, and it's a really nice solid feeling unit. The handles are nicely positioned ergonomically. I stand about 6'3", and so with this handle all the way extended, it feels very comfortable to kind of hold on to it. Now this green lever right here is the self-propelled portion of the mower, and this handle right here is the speed. Now without engaging the blade, I'm just going to show you that by pulling that handle, off it goes. It's a rear wheel drive. When you want to pull back, you just release it and you can easily move the unit back and forth. It's pretty lightweight. To engage the blade, they have a lot of built-in safety features to make sure that you're pulled away. The handle must be fully extended, and then you have to push this button and hold it and then engage the blade. Listen how quiet that is. Now if you want to go ahead and cut, pull back and release. You have no fuel to worry about. You have no tune-ups to worry about. This large battery can get you up to 60 minutes of cutting time under a full charge. Now at Ace, the new EGO. Away EGO at Ace, the helpful place.